Hey there everyone! Welcome back to our channel today. We are going to share an incredibly heartwarming story about a group of people who are making a significant impact on the lives of Cambodian children. So let's dive right into it. In a tranquil, remote location in Cambodia, approximately 100 families live in the middle of nowhere, surrounded by the mountains on all sides. They are isolated from modern technology and cities, struggling to find clean water using traditional water wells or water ponds. The villagers have to collect firewood from the mountains to survive, living in a way completely different from what is experienced in modern America. To cope with the harsh environment, they started engaging in cassava farming, a practice that has been around for centuries. This way of life is incredibly hard, but in defiance of their circumstances, they are determined to survive by doing this. To ensure a good harvest, the villagers work tirelessly as hard as they can to do this farming, often losing their dirt and soil and planting by hands. The hardships they are enduring are not something we often hear about or experience in the American world. The beginning of this story starts with a passionate group of people who are incredibly determined to make a difference in the lives of these impoverished children. Their intention is to build a school in the area that will provide quality education for these impoverished children while also instilling hope. Although often overlooked, this school is filled with enormous hope and potential. The individuals behind this story show exceptional courage, patience, and love in their daily actions. They have formed a powerful bond of friendship that is helping the children grow and succeed in their lives. The story is a true testament to the power of kindness and friendship in creating an even better and brighter future for all of us. So let's all take a moment to appreciate the amazing work these people are doing in helping the Cambodian children. Their incredible story is a powerful reminder for each of us that with courage, patience, love, and friendship, we can all make a positive impact on the world and help improve the lives of many more people. If you enjoyed this story, please give it a thumbs up and help our channel by not forgetting to subscribe for more inspiring stories like this one. Thank you so much for joining us.